Random row selection in Pandas data frame. Is there a way to select random rows from a data frame in Pandas? In R, using the car package, there is a useful function sum, x, n, which is similar to head but selects, in this example, 10 rows at random from x. I have also looked at the slicing documentation and there seems to be nothing equivalent. Update. Now using version 20. There is a sample method.
Something like this? Note, as of Pandas version 0.20.0, 9 has been deprecated in favor of LOC for label-based indexing.
The best way to do this is with the sample function from the random module.
With Pandas version 0.16.1 and up, there is now a Dataframe.sample method built in. For either approach above, you can get the rest of the rows by doing per Pedram's comment. If you would like to get reproducible samples, pass the random_state parameter.
Below line will randomly select n number of rows out of the total existing row numbers from the Dataframe DF without replacement.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.